What is Costimator? Costimator is an advanced cost estimating software designed specifically for manufacturing companies. Developed by MTI Systems, it helps manufacturers and jobs accurately estimate part costs, cycle times, and quotes with speed and confidence. Costimator combines decades of real-world manufacturing data with an easy-to-use interface. It allows estimators to calculate costs for machining, fabrication, assembly, and even custom processes, all within a single integrated system. With Costimator, you can quickly generate detailed cost breakdowns based on your shop's unique equipment, labor rates, and overhead. The software includes an extensive library of machine and process data, making it easy to build estimates from proven industry standards or your own internal benchmarks. Costimator also helps standardize your estimating process. Whether you have a single estimator or an entire team, everyone uses the same structured system to quote jobs accurately and consistently. And because Costimator drastically reduces the time it takes to prepare a quote, you can respond to customer RFQs faster than your competitors, giving you a critical edge in winning new business. Costimator is more than just estimating software. It's a powerful cost management solution that helps you quote faster, more accurately, and more competitively, so you can grow your business profitability. Costimator, manufacturing estimating software. Learn more with a free demo at mtisystems.com.